I'm going to show you the best way to make $35.46 repetitively online, whether it's once a day, twice a day, once every week, or once a month, depending on how often you decide to take action with this. I'm going to show you this 100% working method that I'm using to make money on Clickbank. This is going to be a free method and a paid method as well, but you're welcome to just use the free method if you are a newbie and you don't want to invest into ads or anything like that. And I'm going to show you how you can get free targeted traffic fast just from what I'm going to teach you in this video. And you can use exactly what I'm going to show you to replicate this. And this is very good for newbies and beginners that are wanting to get into Clickbank and affiliate marketing. And I'm also going to show you the exact affiliate product that I used. And all I want you to do is, one assignment for you is to take action after this, as I want to see you guys get results from this. But without further ado, let's get straight into this. So I'm going to try and make this the easiest step-by-step video for you to watch, that you can easily understand this. So the first step is we're going to come over to clickbank.com, which is the biggest affiliate marketing or the affiliate network site probably on the internet right now, where you can become affiliates for various different products and people's different courses and basically get a commission through your unique link when promoting their product. So you can see over here, for example, this specific product, you're going to earn $35.46 per sale that you make. So to come over to the marketplace on Clickbank, you'll see at the top of your screen when you've logged in, there's a big button over here that says marketplace. Click on that, and then you want to type in the following: Lost Book of Remedies, which is the exact product that I've been using. So I've actually got their page open over here. What you can do is you can just click on their page over here. It's going to take you to this page. Just to show you, you can see that this product has a gravity of 124, which is very high. That means 124 people have made commissions with this product in the last 30 days, which is very good. So it's a high selling, and it's obviously a working product. So this product is all about herbs, natural remedies for weight loss, health, maybe pharmaceuticals as well, you name it. But you can see that's all what this book is about. So people buy this kind of product because they obviously may be into that, they want to educate themselves, and it's selling very well. And the person that made this book as a whole video sales letter here, you can see she is a doctor, so she obviously knows what she's talking about, which is also perhaps why this product is selling so well. And on their sales page, they have 3 different products. They obviously have their digital product, which is the digital version of the book, and then you can also purchase the physical and digital product combo, which is $37, or the person can purchase the physical book, just the physical book, for $37 plus $8.99 shipping. But most people these days like digital, as they're not going to pay shipping, so they just read the book off their screen. But what's nice is there is the option, which for a lot of people prefer old school reading, so that's why they have the different option of the digital and the physical book. So the next step is, what you want to do is, once you've clicked on the link, you'll see if I actually click on the link of this product, it's going to take me to the link of the website like this. And what you want to do is, you want to copy the link of this website, this entire long URL. You want to come to a website called similarweb.com, which is a website that analyzes different websites to see the kind of traffic that they're getting, and also to see perhaps other platforms that this website has been published on. So I'm going to paste this link here. I'm going to wait for this to load, and I'm going to click on this over here, lostbookofremedies.com. And here you can see the kind of traffic that it's getting. So this website is currently the 262,000th website in the world, 68,000 in the United States, and 5,200 in its category. So it is doing quite well. It's getting a lot of traffic. Like you saw on Clickbank, a lot of people are making commissions from it. And you can see the majority of affiliates are from the United States, being at 62%. That is a good thing, because that is a top tier country. That is a country where people have more money than that of third world countries. That is why a product like this is selling so well. So it's important to analyze perhaps the analytics of a website or of an affiliate product like this to see what audience is buying this product, or what people are becoming affiliates for this product in the different countries. But what I want you guys to take note of is, if I scroll down, I can actually see the top referring sites to this platform. So we can actually see other websites that is promoting this affiliate product. So we can see like the winning websites, and we can kind of literally just steal that and go promote there. So for example, obviously this website, mygreenremedy.com, is a website that is promoting this affiliate product. So we can go and see what they're up to and get influence from that. So I'm going to click on go to website over here. You can see it's going to take me to mygreenremedy.com, this website over here, and you can actually see they've created a landing page with like a survey. So we're going to click here to take survey. How frequently have you used medical plants over the last 12 months? You can choose daily, often, sometimes, or never. Let's click on sometimes. How would you rate your current medicinal plants knowledge? Beginner, intermediate. I'm a beginner, so let's just click on beginner. What types of usage medicinal plants interest you the most? Let's go, for example, health promotion, where they want to become more healthy, natural ingredients, or lose weight. And then what it's going to do is they're actually going to ask you for your email, where they'll send you probably some resources, and then they're going to take you to the training video, which is this sales page over here. So this is very smart, because at the same time they're collecting your email, but they're also obviously getting you to the sales page. So they could later promote you with for example, a coupon or a promotional email to get you to buy the product later. So this is a very smart landing page, and this is a great way using similarweb.com to analyze what the top competitors are doing so you can replicate their success. So let's do this again. Let's go back to SimilarWeb and let's go have a look at who else is perhaps promoting this product. You can see PayPal or Eco Snippets. So let's go click on this one. Let's see what they are up to. So if I click on the website, you can see, okay, this is obviously like a blog website that is obviously promoting Clickbank products. So you can see they have multiple different blogs that is getting a good amount of traffic. If I have a look here, they are getting quite a lot of traffic. If I just hover over, you can see currently 968,000th website in the world. So it's doing quite well, because considering there's millions and millions of websites, that's quite a good ranking. So this website, this one here, is obviously creating blogs and referring people to different Clickbank products that is perhaps being promoted in these different blogs. You can see it's all about gardening, so which relates to the herbal and the plants niche, which is what this product is all about. So this is also quite a smart way to go about getting affiliate commissions through what they're doing. And another useful tool that I want you to take notice of on this website, if I scroll down a little bit more, I can actually see some search information on this website. So I can see the top 5 organic keywords that is being searched on Google to find this affiliate product. So you can see most people are searching Lost Book of Remedies, Natural Home Remedies, Nicole Apelian, who's the releaser or the founder of this product, Lost Book of Remedies again. So these are the top 5 over here. So what you can do is as well, if I come over to Google and I go, let's go for example, Natural Home Remedies, or if I also go, okay, I can see there's obviously a whole bunch of different websites, and within these websites they're promoting this affiliate product, this specific product that I've chosen of Clickbank. But what I want to do is I want to come back here, and we can also, for example, search Lost Book of Remedies. And you also want to go and see here, for example, Digital Books Review, The Lost Ways. You can go and see what the top websites are doing. For example, let's go to this one over here. They're running an ad, Digital Books Review. They obviously have a review website of this book. You can see here today only 37. Order now, and you'll see if I click on this, it'll be an affiliate link to a Clickbank product. So this is also a great way to get an idea of what the top people are doing on Google and what they're doing on their websites to promote this affiliate product to get affiliate commissions. As you can see, this is a hop link to the Clickbank product. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing that I'm going to show you is the free traffic, and I'm actually going to make this super easy for you. What you want to do is, you want to come back to the Clickbank page over here where this product is, where you found this product, the Lost Book of Remedies, on the marketplace. You actually want to click on this affiliate page over here, this affiliate page here, and they are going to give you a whole bunch of resources such as email swipes, a whole bunch of resources like that you can use to promote their product to make more commissions online. So I'm going to click on this link. It's going to open up with this page over here. So this is the affiliate center for us that want to become affiliates for this product, and we can see if I come down here, different email swipes. We can see some more email bodies over here, email templates that we can use. There's a whole article over here that we can use. But what I want to show you is this. If I come over to Facebook and I search home remedy groups, and I'm just going to click on see all, you can see a ton of different home remedy Facebook groups that we can go and use. But now what we're going to do is, we're not going to go and just spam our affiliate link here. We're going to do something really unique. What you're going to do is, you're going to open docs.google.com, which is a free word editing website. We're going to click on blank page over here. We want to open up a new blank page like this on Google Docs. And what we're going to do is, we're going to build a little resource, sort of kind of like a mini ebook or PDF, just 1 or 2 pages promoting our product using the resource page. So what we can literally do is we can copy this email body with the picture and everything, and we can go and paste this on our Google document. So I'm just going to paste this here, and this is actually honestly good enough. With the help of Dr. Nicole Apillion, I finally gathered all the remedies and medicinal plants of North America, included them in one book. You can see this blue writing over here is where we're going to include our affiliate link. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight this text. We need to come back to our Clickbank product. We need to click on promote, and we need to click on generate hop link. Here you can see this is your unique affiliate link that we're going to be using, that people need to click on in order for you to get commission. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back to my Google Docs. I'm going to highlight this again. I'm going to click on this option over here, this insert link. I'm then going to paste my link, and I'm going to click on apply. Same with this blue one over here. Click here to see if there's still one copy reserved in your name. I'm going to click on link again. I'm going to paste this here, and I'm going to click on apply. So now this blue text is now a clickable link. What I'm going to do is I'm then going to click on file, share document. I'm going to click on, let's just type a name. So for example, we can put the Lost Book of Remedies. I'm just copying that name. I'm going to paste that here. I'm going to click on save. And then what you want to do is you want to click on change to anyone with the link, and you want to copy this shareable Google document link over here. I'm going to click on done. We'll just click copy first. I'm going to click on done, and you'll see if I paste this in a new tab, anybody publicly can now view this document. And then what you want to do is you want to come to one of these Facebook groups. We're not going to spam this link either, but you want to ask questions. And what you can do is, again, you can just use this resource. So if I scroll down, for example, let's use this over here. What happens if you put salt into a cabbage? You're asking a very interesting question. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants remedies in this lost ebook. So what you can do is you can copy this, come back to Facebook groups over here. Let's choose home remedies, for example. And all you want to do is you want to join a group, and you want to click on this section over here, what's on your mind, and you want to paste this here where you're going to create a post. And you can see what happens if you put salt into a cabbage. This entire question is here. You want to put, if you want to get a free ebook and learn more about the Lost Book of Remedies, click here to learn more. And before we go and paste this link, we quickly want to go to bit.ly to make the link, the shareable link of our document now. For example, if I just go click file, share again, I just want to click on change anyway the link. I want to copy this long shareable link. We're going to go paste this here to shorten our URL. We're going to click on shorten, and here you can see is a short bit.ly URL. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back to my Facebook group over here, and I'm going to paste this over here, for example, and then you want to click on post. So that's the first way that you're going to make money online with this using the free method. What I suggest you do is, once you get some commissions from this, you perhaps want to invest into creating, let me just come back to this landing page over here. So I'm going to come back to this quiz where they ask this entire quiz. For example, if I come back here, remember this page where I explained how they make a quiz and they run ads on this? So you can create a landing page and actually just import a done for you quiz page using a tool called Kartra. So Kartra is an entire landing page business builder in a box where you can collect emails, collect email lists, send promotional emails, payment gateways to get paid online, creating your own websites and landing pages, and running ads on that. It is really the best business builder in a box, and I use this full time. I used to be part of Builderall, but now I use this, and I love the done for you available campaigns that you can import with one click of a button, such as affiliate advertorials, daily deals, a 4-day cash machine. But obviously we want to get a quiz, so you want to click on the search bar once you've gotten Kartra. So you can either go to kartra.com and purchase it yourself. If you'd like, I will leave my affiliate link down below where I'm actually giving away over $5,000 worth of done for you affiliate campaigns, landing pages, and funnels that you can copy and paste, where you will get your own login to my private membership area where you can get all those bonuses 6 hours after you sign up just for the trial. You don't even have to purchase the product. You can sign up for the trial and you can keep the bonuses forever if you never want to use Kartra again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the search bar. I'm going to type in quiz and I'm going to search this, and you can see this campaign over here called Query Complaint. If I actually click on the video, they have a little video of what this campaign's about, and what they have is they have like an opt-in page and then a query lander page that you can import that's done for you, where you can ask your people that land on the landing page questions similar to this query page over here, like this one over here. You can see, click on say take survey, and you can ask them questions like this to kind of get them into the funnel of the product to get more sales from them. So that's what I suggest, is using the paid method of Kartra, investing into something like Kartra, and you can go run Google and YouTube ads on this. I have an entire playlist on this in my playlist section on my channel where you can learn more about that. But this is literally next level of affiliate marketing, is creating landing pages like this. But that is going to be my video for today, and I really hope you got a lot of value from this. If you want to learn more about Clickbank affiliate marketing, what I'm going to do is I'll just leave a playlist for you guys on the screen here where you can go see tons of more strategies like this, so you can go get more affiliate commissions. These videos are all here on YouTube for free. I create them for free because I enjoy creating content and giving value. Otherwise, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new. But until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.